everybody, and welcome to Joy's YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do a special show where it's Joy's apocalypse cooking. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is show you this product that I'm really into. I really love it. It's sort of like ramen noodles, but now it's like modern self-cooking. You know, post-apocalypse, we're not gonna have any stoves. We might have like a campfire, but let's say you have to stay indoors and you have to protect yourself during a lockdown and you can't go outside because some freakazoid zombie is gonna come and bite you and then pass some weird virus. So what we're gonna do is we're going to buy a self-heating, this is like this one is a Thai brand, a self-heating ramen noodles. And all you have to do is add water. Now for me, I have some meat, right? I'm going to my refrigerator. But let's say in the apocalypse, you don't have a refrigerator, or all the meat is gonna defrost and melt and go bad. So let's say you got your last package of some meat. This one happens to be grain-fed beef, and it's sliced. What do they call this one? I forgot what they call this one. It's like, it's for like shabu. Yeah, frozen brisket, shabu shabu. Okay, so it's like already sliced. And what we're gonna do is, I'm going to show you how to cook this thing. So I already took the plastic off. Don't worry, there's no viral particles on it. And so then the plastic, I took it off ahead. You take the paper, the advertisement, throw that away. You don't need that. Then you open this thing up, right? Inside the package, you get a fork and a spoon. It's really cute. Super cute. Put that to the side. We don't need it right now. Then, okay, I have to remember my speaking tone. Don't have to be so loud. All right, so you got the noodles, the ramen noodles. Right? Put that to the side. Now inside the package, you have this thing. This thing. So this thing is like the special heating mechanism, right? It's in a pouch. Okay, let's see here. It says, caution, heating bag, prohibited to eat. Don't eat this. No use. Don't you love Thai English? No use of hot water. Be away from fire. Be away from fire, people. Heating bag, caution, prohibited to eat. Don't eat this thing. It says, check the heating bag before use. Do not use if it is damaged or contaminated. How come all of a sudden the English is like really good? Do not let minors use it alone. If the contents of the heating bag accidentally enters the eyes or eat, please rinse immediately with water, induce vomiting, or seek medical advice at the hospital. Okay, so it's a little wonky. There's a little bit of English grammar problems. Shelf life, 1 year. Usage, use immediately after tearing open. Okay, people, I'm tearing it open. See this? Prohibit wet hands. Don't touch it with wet hands. The thing will, like, I guess, stick or burn your hands. So you open it up, right? You don't even need a scissor, just open it up. The heating mechanism is some sort of like pouch with some sort of sand-like substance inside, right? So you put this in there and you turn on your water and you fill it in like halfway. Okay, and then you're gonna see Okay, super duper hot. So that thing is immediately boiling the water. It's incredible, isn't it? Okay, so you can push that in, get it all wet. Okay, now you take your noodles, you take the, okay, I'm gonna get a scissor because I can't get the plastic off. That thing is still sizzling. And the cool thing is, if you take this out, there's even mushrooms inside. Freeze-dried mushrooms, right? And then I put the noodles in here like this. Wait, you can plop this in for now. Oh, I hope it doesn't overflow. Yeah, it's fine. Now I need to get some filtered water, so I have a water filtration. I have water filtration I attached. This is my filter. So in the apocalypse, you're gonna need a water filter because who knows what kind of hormones are in the water. So I got some water. You don't want antibiotics or people's birth control pills and antidepressants and whatever the heck else they're throwing into the public water. Okay, and then you throw the filtered water in with your ramen, right? Fill it up. Don't worry, people, I washed my hands. Even so, there should not be any COVID in my place anyway. I sanitized. Now, I'm gonna wait for this to get hot. Get your fork. Maybe move some of the mushrooms. Now this thing will start to boil the water. And once that's boiled, I'm going to put some of this beef. It's very thinly sliced. I'm going to show you. So this we'll put to the side here. I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to show you what's inside. Well, I'm going to get I have a little kind of Tupperware type of container. I'm going to put my meat. Put my meat in here. So I'm put this. And now this meat is very thinly sliced. I don't know if you can see it. That's not even, that's 2 slices. Wait. So very thin. This is very thin, very thinly sliced. They call shabu meat. Now when this starts to boil, oh, it's already hot. I'm gonna put it in because it's already hot, people. Hot. I'm gonna put the meat in there. See that? And I'm gonna put another slice. Put another slice. I put it in the middle. But you want to lay it down flat so it can cook evenly, you know? I'm gonna use that boiling water. You're gonna see it cook. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands. Oops. Use some of this antibacterial dishwashing soap. Tough on grease. Lemon smelling. All right, I'm going to put the rest of the meat away because I don't need that much meat. And they also give this packet of, I guess, black Shabu Shabu sauce. Oh, it's maybe a little bit too full. I'm going to take some water out. Too much water. Okay, I'm going to take this. It's so good. It's so yummy. It's a little bit sweet, and a little bit like soy sauce, but a little bit sweeter. It's really good stuff. Wait, I gotta wash it in. This one has a bar of soap. I think there's little pieces of seaweed. Do you see little black pieces of seaweed? So let this cook. Now, as you can see, the meat is already starting to get cooked. That means that the water is not all the way boiled yet. But it is hot because I touched it already. And I'll just like move that a little bit. I want to see if there are mushrooms. Where'd the mushrooms go? They're underneath here somewhere. There it is. Try to get that mushroom. Okay, so here, oh, it's definitely not even close yet. It's still very hard. It's not hydrated all the way. Let's throw it back under. Right. Okay, now, so that's it, everybody. Do you want to wait? And like, wait until it's all the way cooked so that I can eat it? Do you want to see that? I think you know what noodles, reactions to noodles is, right? It's always yummy. I love noodles. Alright, so anyway, if you want to try it out, go, I think in America you would go to like Amazon.com and look for self-heating ramen noodles, or like, what was this thing called? This one was called Hot Cup. Black Shabu Soup Hot Cup. Instant noodles. And I guess just look for something with a self-heating mechanism. Let's see. This one is, the brand is Rabbit Best Food. Rabbit Best Food. You don't need a microwave. You don't need hot water because it makes it hot. And I think, yeah, really good stuff. Bye-bye.